Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at our first dividends that we've received from our three dividend stocks, which are ExxonMobil, AT&T, and Starbucks. So we bought the stocks at on the 29th of May. As we can see here, Starbucks is doing very well, but Exxon, for example, is not doing well. We have our airline shares also who are here. And in general, I am down 0.77% as of today, which is the 11th of October. So now let's look at our dividends. So as we can see here, we have $1.18, which are from the dividends we've received. So for $34 of Exxon, we received 0.56 cents, $0.56, sorry, so 56 cents. For Starbucks, where we invested $33, we have a return of 14 cents in our quarterly dividend. And for AT&T, we have 48 cents. Let's look at the dividend in particular here, Exxon. So as we see, we have 66 cents that were paid on Friday 11th of September, so a month ago. And from those 66 cents, 10 cents are withholded for the withholding tax. We have here the information. So withholding tax rate of 30%, but because my country has a treaty with the United States, we only pay around 15-17% tax, something like that. Okay, so the total comes down to 56 cents. Now for Starbucks, we were paid 17 cents and we received 14 3 cents withholding tax. Okay, so this was it for the dividend updates. We have AT&T here still, also 8 cents from 56 cents. And tomorrow I will be buying Coca-Cola, but I'll be doing a new video about that tomorrow. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in my next video.